Not by austerities and anything you can get me. But Namorjita, still somewhere else he says Tapomendayam Sakshat. Why he says like that?
In Gita also Krishna says, Natajyam Jagyodana Tapo. Isn't it? One should not give up Jagyodana Tapo. Tapo Divyam Putrakaha. Rushabdev says, Jaina Satyam Siddhat Brahma Saukhyam Tu Ananta. Fifth canto Bhagavatam. But what tapasya you can do? What is real tapasya? Jat tapasya kaunteya tat kurusho madarpanam. Krishna says, if you do some tapasya, do it for me. Asura to tapa kore na. Demons also undergo very severe austerity. For what purpose?
So that verse to Uddhava, it means tapasya divorced of devotional service.
Yes, divorce of. Without devotional service is zero. Is zero. You understand? That is also one elsewhere in Bhagavatam also. Dharma satyodaya pito vidyava tapasannita mad bhaktya pitam atmano nat samyak punatihi. Bhagavatam says. What do you say? Dharma satya daya pito vidya tapasya. Dharma, satya, truthfulness, daya, mercy, vidya, learning, scholarship, tapasya, austerity, these are very good, nice things. But without bhakti, it's zero. It's zero. Do you understand? Mad bhaktya petam atma natsu samyak punati. Without bhakti, all this value is zero. Do you understand? They cannot purify your heart. All these things, though it is very good thing. If there is bhakti is there, then their value becomes tenfold, tenfold, tenfold. 0, 0, 0, 0. You are adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Result is 0. If you just put 1, just left hand side of 0, the 0 becomes tenfold. 1, 0, 10, 2, 0, 100, 3, 0, 1000. 100-fold, 100-fold, tenfold, tenfold. You understand? So that 1 is bhakti. Otherwise it's 0.
That's why he said austerity makes it harder.
Yes, that is without bhakti. The demons, they undergo such. They become ant hills. Ant hills. Their whole bone, their twice, everything is eaten by ant. Only that Hiranyakasipu underwent such severe austerity. Place, everything was eaten. Only bone was there. Why he was doing what is that? The demon. What? And what austerity you do? What penance you do? What austerity you do in the Kali Yuga? What? What can you do? Such lifespan, so many problems, everything bad. What do you do? Only beg mercy, kripa. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, bhakti nahi. I have no karma, no jnana, no bhakti. How can I get? Kevala bharasatma kripa. Only completely dependent on your mercy. I have nothing. I am devoid of everything. Do you understand?
Amidina.
Amidina. Akinchana. Dhina akinchana. Yes. Kemane ho tumar? Paad pad no pai. How can I approach your lotus feet? And no karma, no jnana, no bhakti. It is only praying for mercy, nothing else. Completely dependent on your mercy. Yes. This is Karpanya. Dainamai Prarthana. Always offering prayer. Humble prayer. Yes. Always. Always. And our this chanting Hare Krishna is offering prayer. Feeling pangs of separation from Krishna. Sunyaitam jagat sarvam govindam virahinami. Whole world seems to me empty. Because I can't see Govinda, I can't find Govinda. Everything, the whole world seems to me empty. Govinda Viraho. This crying and praying. Oyi Dinadayadra Natho, Mathura Natho, Kodaha Valokyase, Madhavendra Puri. Hridayam.
My heart is bleeding.
Bleeding, you see. Kodaha, when can I see you? When can I see you? You understand? Srimati Radharani is feeling such acute pang as Siparison said. His dear girl companion, Lalita Sakhi was Sakhi. I cannot see him. Whole world is empty. Govinda Viroheno. And this sleep has developed enmity with me. Yes, it has become enemy of mine. It doesn't come to me. It comes, I may sleep. So in the dream I may see. But it doesn't come. So I cannot dream, I cannot see. Nidra. The sleep has become enemy to me. That means you cannot sleep. You understand me? This is in Hansadutta. Rupa Goswami has written very nice verse. You understand? You should read all these things. So nice verses. They are written this. They are devotees. How nice verse, this Bhubaneswar's verse. Kulasekhar's verse. Huh? Isn't it? Very nice, so nice verse. So nice prayers.
It was not...
Bhubaneswar's prayers, so nice. It's great devotee. Kulasekhar's prayers, Prabhupada has quoted some prayers.
One question, Maharaj. I was hearing how everything is useless but bhakti. But bhakti. But there's one statement in Hari Bhakti Vilas. It says that even though one may perform devotional service, but without the guidance of a bona fide spiritual master, that devotional service is useless.
Yes. How can tread the path of bhakti without the guidance of a bona fide spiritual, without a bhakta?
Someone may be executing the 9 processes of bhakti, hearing and chanting and remembering Krishna, but it says like that those things become useless.
Yes. You will commit offense. You will commit offense. You understand? Commit so many wrongs, so many mistakes, because you have no guru. How can you tread the path? You don't know. You don't know the path. You are not acquainted with the path. How can you go? Tread it. You will fall in a ditch. Where there is ditch, where there is thorny place, you don't know. You will fall into it. Then suffer there, cry. Ow!
Well, someone may say, I can read books like Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
Can you understand it? Can you understand
You'll
it?
say, yes, I can understand.
Oh, you are so proud of your scholarship. Pandityade kabhu no Ishwar tattva gyan, he said. Scholarship won't help you to understand Ishwar tattva. But Gopinath Acharya says, Ishwar krupa vina kehi no jane. Without the mercy of Ishwar, Lord, you cannot understand. You cannot that Advaita tattva, absolute truth. Can't understand. His mercy. How we can get mercy? Guru Rupe Krishna Krupa Korin Bhakta Joni. In the form of Guru, Krishna gives mercy. Do you understand? No. In this way you get the mercy. How can you get mercy? That's it. Fool.
So people who have been random in service and their guru was not bona fide, that was just some sukruti was there, not completely wasted.
Not wasted, some sukruti they are earning. Next life they may get. Bahunang janmanang ante jnanamanam ang prapadyate vasudevam sarvam iti sa mahatma sudullabha. Jnanis undergo many lives. Then they understand Vasudeva is everything, then they surrender. Then they become Mahatma. Unless you surrender, how can you become Mahatma? You understand? Great soul. One who is surrender is a great soul. Guruvanugatya seva, ashraya loya bhaje, tate Krishna nahi teje. That's it. Taking shelter of Guru you will serve, you will do bhajan. Then Krishna will never leave you. You will approach Krishna and be with Krishna. Otherwise you cannot approach Krishna. You cannot render service without taking shelter. That is ashraya bhaje. Tase Krishna nahi. Arsa moreo karan. Those are not taken shelter. They suffer, they will suffer. Useless, as you said, useless.
In some places I've read that by the constant chanting of the holy name, one will be relieved of all offenses.
Yeah, that Guru has taught you.
Oh, one can read this in black and white.
But you cannot understand this stuff. You cannot understand it.
And no power to practice it. And also no power to practice it.
You have no power to practice it. Yes, how can you get that strength, that power? How it will come to you? You are only a speculator.
Yes.
Only speculating this thing. I can do like this.
Yes.
You understand? There is a story. Was only speculating, only things. I can do this thing, yes, then this thing, then this thing. There was a poor man. There was a poor man. You understand? Very, very poor. So he kept one hen who lays eggs. So he sells egg. He sold egg in bazaar. Got some money. Then about two hen, 3 hen like this. So many eggs were there. A basket of eggs. Now he got. You understand? A basket of eggs. Huh? So putting the basket, whole basket on the head, he was going to market to sell it. On the way, thinking, this time I'll get this amount of money. Then I'll purchase a cow. The cow will give so much milk. Well, then I sell milk. Then I get much more money. Then I'll purchase more cows. Then more money. You understand? So then I'll become a very great rich man, wealthy person. I'll build a palatial building, like a king's palace. I'll compete with the king. I'll compete with the king and build a king's palace. Stay there, live there as a king. Then I'll marry the king's daughter. I'll marry the king's daughter. I only marry king's daughter. I will never marry anybody else. Then then whole basket fell down. All the eggs are broken. Finished. Speculation.